the one that you can see every day, you can hear and taking the voice. But if you put this in a litmus paper and say, are you a Catholic or not? You know, be impolite. Yes, and then you say, are you supporting RH? Yeah. Probably he will say no. No. Or yes. Or yes. So or that's one of the problems that we have.
Or maybe I don't know.
Or maybe we don't. That's why we have to ask actually. Yeah. To get the pulse. Yes.
I think it's not just the institution, but I think it's the critical mass, the people living on top of the pyramid. Because if we are able to rally critical number of people to
critical mass,
then these are very important people that can steer a lot of business. I agree. I agree. So you have to help me, explain this to me. Yeah. We have to really educate.
That's a very good point from the mayor, the critical mass. Where do we locate the wider people?
Right. Who are 20-seaters at the moment in this debate or just waiting?
Yes. Half a million individuals. So this constituents.
So for now, what we see is that the bigger part of the wider public are located down. One, because there is no one to collect what they think, what they're thinking. That's the wider, that's the 95 million. So that includes the views. But in terms of those that can bring in the voices, the organized
can bring
versus
all
you.
the mayors to sit here and be able to convince them that this is the way to do it.
Good.
Then
so
you have that critical mass.
The League of Mayors, where do we locate the League of Mayors? The League of Governors. Are they actively participating? Pro or against? They are pro or anti. So
we bring
maybe
debate into the municipality.
Yes, I think that is much better.
I think there's no use discussing this here when all the important things need to be discussed.
So, shall we put the League of what is the right name?
the League of Mayors.
The League of
Should it
Mayors
be here?
the same position, maybe on the right side of the arch of the Roman
Sure.
Catholic.
The League of Mayors. Should we say this include the governors?
Just in the
Mayors.
The
The governors are different. Okay. What about the very influential mission? We have the
other churches.
The other churches, like the NCCP and the INC. Because I think the INC leadership earlier this year said
Stage the mass mobilization.
they are pro RH. So the INC.
Interesting position, huh?
But as you know, there are church organizations that can give directives to their members to choose, to choose to accept or reject the bill. Unlike the church, Catholic Church, which just influences but couldn't give a very strong directive to their
That's
members.
very
I think
important. Because especially for the Iglesia ni Cristo, because they take very seriously the mandate of
I'd like to hear because she's not talking and maybe she has different view from
Okay, from the household, yes.
Thank you for giving me, because I'm a little baffled, because as a housewife and from the community level, I cannot identify with any of those who are on top. And I'm thinking that as a housewife, as women, we should be somewhere near the National RH policy because it is our body that we're talking about.
Ideally, yes, you should be. That's why the Gabriela representative.
This stakeholders map is the current and not.
This is where we are now. Yeah.
Our perception.
This is what we see and hear every day. Those who are involved in the mass media, over the internet, the TV and the radio. That's why we have to map. Why are these people there influencing? And why not me from the household? Of course, that depends on is the individual household informed about the current debate. Was it brought to the household level, or was it just in terms of part of the politics?
That's what I'm saying, Mr. Khan. A lot of the members in my municipality doesn't know anything about this RH bill.
That is why this research project that the organization is actually crafting is crucial in terms of it. Part is maybe redoing the stakeholders map, influencing, bringing the voices of the critical mass who has yet to evolve somewhere here and be represented.
I think most of them under the critical mass are still really waiting, but not actively. They have heard about it for sure because of the media,
They're very careful.
but they are not yet actively, maybe the opportunity is not yet there, or
For
maybe their
example.
voices are drowned by the voices of institutions that have access to media, whether it's television or newspaper or the radio. So, I'm very concerned about what is really the pulse of the people with regards to the RH.
Yeah. Yes, in relation to that and the issue from the mayor, the position of the scholars in the academic and then community also is very crucial because they shape actually, they are the ones that the politicians and the media actually talk to. What do you think about this as experts?
So where did you put,
It's still confused, I think. I
Still
don't think
confused.
they're
Actually, I
confused.
get what she's saying.
Because
we have several stakeholders in our own networks, and we all want to bring all our networks to on top, and if we
Yes.
line it all up there, this dynamic we try to form with all the sectors will just form a line.
Yes.
I'm thinking maybe it would be better if we come up with a set of stakeholders that we agree on, and then maybe map it all there.
Yeah.
Because that would include the stakeholders from her part, from her part, from her part, and then we just put them all there. Because if we just ask for important people, of course we might
Yes.
not have her side, her opinion,
Okay,
her
thank
side.
you. I think we don't have any time anymore. I think we need to wrap up the exercise. Of course, those are all very valid actually what you're saying. We cannot just line up all the people here. That's why if we had more time earlier, we could have come up with a map that comes from you guys.
but you said this is just the beginning, right?
Yes, this is just the beginning. The other sectors will have to be mapped and actually be located in these stakeholders mapping.
So is
that
this
it
the
will
reason why
inform.
you gave us this one?
Ah,
For
yes,
us
but-
to identify which, what position they would be in the
Yes,
mass?
because you will have actually to judge where they are going to be located.
Mhm.
And then what is it, a big circle? Are they touching? Are they subset? Are they going to be opposing sides?
What is important here, Mr. Val, is how these people, organizations can work together, how they help come to this goal, and because we identify the strategic allies.
That is their positioning actually. So it's very important for the organization that we are looking from that position for the project to start on what to do with ours. So with that, I thank you all for your very active participation with this exercise. I hope you learned something. You're not angry.
No, I
Okay.
still
What is that?
would like to
Praying.
express
Okay,
our
yes.
and our stand in this position.
Yes, I know.
Yes.
Yes, I can sense it from where.
Yeah. Before I don't actually give, excuse my French, give attention to the smaller, but this time I feel like.
Or you can sell a lot of condoms and then the
Yeah.
bill will be passed.
Where will
Do
we
you know
locate
that?
the
I'm so
private
interested
sector?
now, actually, so thank you.
It's very important for people like Alan Olive to know the basics of the reproductive health bill, because sometimes it gets muddled, misinterpretation of the bill. Like some of the people, conservative in the church, they would say, for us, you
Exactly, yes.
The bill.
I support that from the Gabriela side. Are you prepared to go to hell to suffer the fires?
Yes,
Yes?
that's okay.
So thank you.